So in this video, I'm going to show you my 3 steps, the moisturizers and oil you can use. Hello, do you sometimes want to start your skincare journey, but you don't know where to start? You don't know the products to use. In this video, I'm going to show you my skincare package, what I use to take care of take my bath, the moisturizers and the oil you can get and start using today. They are affordable. I know there is this confusion that comes after watching high influencers video where they use high-end products that worth thousands of naira. You can't afford it. You think that this skincare is not for you. You can do it with a budget of 20k, even 10k. You can start. So on this video, I'm going to show you my 3 steps, the moisturizers and oil you can use. This is what I use, and you can get it and start using it today. So stick around and watch to the end. My name is Shoma. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will push out my videos to large viewers, people that need this type of information. I'm going to break this video into 2 stages, which is the soap and the moisturizer, and how you are going to use them. There are 3 step soap I use: toilet soap, black soap, and skin conditioner. All these soaps has different functions, the works they do, and the type of bath you can take with them. If you're in a hurry to go out, starting from the soap, you can go with toilet soap. I use Lux, like you can see in the screen, or any other toilet soap like Nivea soap, Lux, or Johnson's. These are all toilet soap. You can grab soap quickly, go to your bathroom, take a hot shower, and go out. But when you are not in a hurry, you want to take complete bath, the first thing you have to do is to get a sponge. A hand glove sponge does the magic for me. That is the sponge I use. I use 2 sponges. This hand glove sponge, whenever I want to scrub, you get your sponge, the sharp sponge, with your toilet soap, and take a bath. Use it and scrub your body and wash it off. Then you go with your black soap if you want to exfoliate. I do 2 types of exfoliating. It's either I use my scrub or I use my black soap. I scrub twice a week. So in between the weeks, when I am not exfoliating with body scrub, I can grab my black soap and take and scrub my skin. I also use my black soap twice to 3 times in a week. After taking my bath, or with either black soap or body scrub, the 3rd thing I do is body conditioner. Body conditioner is good. After you must have stripped your skin of the nutrients and oil, you need to condition it back. You need something that will make it soft. Dove is a good one. If you can get this one of these Dove body conditioner, the smell is heavenly. It makes your skin so soft that when you come out of the bathroom, you'll be smelling so nice. You'll eat it up. So that is how you can use this 3-step soap at a go. If you want to use all at once, like you want to take a deep bath, you are not in a hurry, the first step is use your soap and wash your skin. The 2nd step, you use either black soap or body scrub to scrub off your skin. Don't scrub first. There's this mistake people make. They first scrub their skin before taking their bath. No, it doesn't work that way. You have to wet your skin with water and wash off the excess dirt or oil on your skin. And now your skin is now soft and ready to be exfoliated. The dead skin in your skin is now ready to be the dead skin, the dirt are all is now wet to be exfoliated. Then you use your body scrub with this hand glove to exfoliate, or black soap. Then after you must have exfoliate all this dirt out, you wash it off. You now with your bare hands take your Dove body conditioner, rub it in your body from head to toe like a body lotion, and now wash it off with only water. Don't use sponge on this category. Then when you leave your bathroom, you get your moisturizer. Nivea is good, like always say, or I use Routein. Just use a mild moisturizer on your skin. Don't go for high chemical body lotions for your skin. It's not good for you because your skin absorbs whatever you rub on it. So after exfoliating, you don't need to to make your skin so soft and plumpy. Just a normal moisturizer will go with body oil. I link body oil in your skin like Palmer's and Easy Tone. These are the good ones you can use and start taking care of your skin today. You don't need to break your bank to start this skincare journey. Just start somewhere, be consistent with all this. You can build up your skincare routine to the level your pocket can carry. Because the more money you have, the more expensive skincare you want to use. But when you are earning minimum wage like most people, but you want to start somewhere, you have to start somewhere. Start taking care of your skin and also look amazing. This I guarantee you, if you can follow these steps I mentioned here, you are going to get your skin to that soft baby girl level you are looking for. You can do it. Just start some. Build your regimen, face, your soap, and your moisturizer. Then later you can go to your perfume and body spray. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Bye bye.